The Earth is a large reservoir of electrons. We can take electrons from the Earth or dump electrons into the Earth. A Van de Graaf generator shows how with a small supply of electrons a significant amount of static electricity can be created using two materials in contact with each other and then coming apart. A Van de Graaf generator consists of two rollers made of different materials, a belt made of rubber going around them, a lower brush comb, which would be the positive electrode, a motor to rotate the lower roller, and an upper brush comb, which would be the negative electrode, attached to a steel dome. The choice of material of the rollers will be determined by their position in the triboelectric series. The triboelectric series is a list of materials based on their tendency to lose or gain electrons. If electrons are easily lost from the neutral state, then the material becomes positively charged. Likewise, if electrons are easily gained, then the material becomes negatively charged. In this case, I am using silicon for the lower roller and nylon for the upper roller. I need to make sure there is a sufficient gap between the lower roller and the tip of the brush comb so that enough free air is available for ionizing. As the power is applied, the motor causes the lower roller to rotate, thus rotating the belt. When the rubber belt and the silicon roller are in contact with each other, electrons are transferred from the rubber to the silicon. This makes the silicon negatively charged and the rubber positively charged. At the same time, the lower brush comb has a free supply of electrons on the needle tips. These electrons are strongly repelled by the silicon roller as both are negatively charged. This strong repulsion splits up the air particles nearby into positive air particles and negative electrons. These electrons are attracted to the positive lower brush comb. The positive air particles, however, are attracted to the highly negative silicon roller, but the rubber belt gets in the way and takes that positive charge with it. When the rubber belt makes contact with the upper roller, the reverse effect occurs. There is a transfer of electrons, this time from the nylon roller onto the rubber belt, making it negatively charged. The nylon roller conversely becomes positively charged. The upper brush comb, which is the negative electrode, also takes some of the positive charge from the rubber belt as opposites attract and distributes it across the metal dome. Hence, when someone touches the dome, electrons are lost from their body, making them positively charged. The charge extends all the way to the hair follicles, and each positive hair repels one another and stands on end.